Hello and welcome to Cooking with Cleo. Today we have a guest star on our show, Derek.
Press the backs of our hands together. It's still wet, so the ink should transfer. Meet me at the side door. We'll sneak on through the main floor.
Now, can you tell them about the levels you told me you could do?
Yeah, Madison likes them soggy and with some salt and pepper.
So what are you doing? You gotta tell the fans what you're up to, Derek.
I'm finding a bowl because that's first step. Just finding a bowl.
Okay, first step, find a bowl. Eat some chips while you find the bowl.
It's a little small, but it'll.
I eat the chips while your mom finds the bowl, actually.
How many eggs?
How many eggs?
Or many will fit in that bowl with a little splash of
Probably that too. So you. Oh yeah. By the way, this is in a different place than the normal place.
Yeah.
So 2 eggs. And then take the 2 eggs and then you should see this like thing, you know how you can see like little cracks? Not yet. Right. Then you push in with both of your thumbs. Open. Just let it spill out. Then you do that with the other egg. Then wash your hands.
Do you have any notes?
Then pick your nose. I'm just kidding.
Don't pick your nose.
And then you take a fork. And then you like poke the eggs. And you mix it. And then you go like this. And kind of spin them around a little. To like cut up the eggs or some whatever you call it. And then you mix them up. Switching directions so that it kind of mixes more effectively. Then you add little milk. Yeah, you add.
Why do you add milk?
It just makes it better.
Okay.
You gotta add like the perfect amount of milk, like not too little that it doesn't make any more flavor, but not too much that it like makes them really, really super soggy.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, and then once your egg mixture looks like this, pan, and put it on 6 oopsies. And then you put some butter in the pan, and spatula, and kind of like move it around.
Should the butter be melted completely?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, Madison's gonna be trying the eggs.
What?
Madison's gonna try the eggs. Oh. And she told me how she likes them. Okay, and then once it's melted all the way, you scrape the butter off, and then you pour the eggs. And also, it's perfectly normal for it to look like that. And
This angle.
you pour in eggs. Mixing up the eggs. Oh yeah, Cleo's not here. She's taking a nap.
If Cleo was here, what do you think she'd say?
Eggs.
Good guess.
Yeah, and then you cook them until you, for all the way that you like them. So once your eggs are at your preferred desiredness,
Yeah. I got a notification.
take a plate and scoop them on. Try and do it super fast because you don't want the eggs
Figure out how
to brown because I don't really like it when my eggs brown. And I bet somebody else doesn't. Oops. That's fine. You should also turn the pan off. Probably somewhere in the halfway or quarter done, or three-fourths done cooking. Turn off the pan because it's still hot, and yeah. So then you get some salt and pepper.
Can I have some eggs?
Yeah, you can have some of these eggs, Rosie.
And
Give a rest.
put them on.
Ooh, nice. Yeah, that's great.
Here, can I test try?
And then
He
you
calls
enjoy.
this a level 3 seasoning, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Ready?
Alright, so it's a level 5 seasoning now.
Ready to taste? Nice, runny, well-seasoned eggs. Delicious. What do you think? Do you like it, Rosie?
Well, what's up?
Bye. Thanks for joining Cooking with Derek.
And sorry Cleo wasn't here today. She's taking a nap.
Yeah.